How to use social proof to get more sales. In the 25 years I've been doing sales and helping all this company, there is such a simple thing, one thing that can help you scale your business and that can make sure you win way more deals. I'm Michael Humblet and my goal is very simple. I want you to win in sales. So how do we do this? Well, it's very simple. If I talk about myself or my product, I will always have less credibility than if somebody else, a customer of mine, talks about how good my product or service is. So if others talk about you, it's always better for trust. And if there is one thing we know, that sales is all about trust. So our goal is a simple one. We want to increase the trust as much as possible. We let our customers talk. We do it by either a use case or a testimonial. So here is this very simple trick. The way to build up this use case is not to do the classic thing, which is to explain what that company does and this is the leader, That's what everybody does. I don't want you to do that. I want you to do it very simple. I want you to start with the problem, because that is what your prospects are looking for. They have a problem, so you start by explaining what the problem is, and then you say how company X solved it, and what the company does, you explain at the bottom. What you do, you also explain at the bottom, but make it very tangible. So take some screenshots if you have a software or if you offer a service, show how it looks like. And you'll see that people want to have that. They'll understand the problem and they want to have that solution, and that is how they will come to you. So remember, if you want to scale your business and you want to win way more deals, leverage the power of use cases and testimonials. Dat is nog goed, hè? Dat vond ik zelf goed, hè? Zo, wop, 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 wop. Woehoe!